I'm recording.
Okay. All right, so this you'll see in the instruction notes listed as a Respironics M series. You'll notice that it may have different verbiage, but the setup process is the same. There's a flip up, we'll call it a door here. And in the rear is the charging cord, or the power cord. In this model, we're actually going to want to start with it unplugged. Have this plugged into the wall, the power cord, but have it unplugged from the back of the unit. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to open up our door, and the two arrows at the top, we're going to hold these down simultaneously and plug it in. But these have to be held down first to enter the setup menu. So I'm going to hold down both arrows, and while I'm holding them down, I'm going to plug it in and keep holding it down until it beeps. It beeped, I was talking over it, but once you hear the beep, you can let go. And what you'll notice in the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see the word setup with a plus next to it. Okay, you're going to select the plus button to enter setup mode. Again, we have a CPAP. This is obviously indicating therapy mode. If it was a BiPAP, it may say BiPAP if it's not an auto unit. In other words, it would not give you an option. This one can be an auto CPAP, or we can input settings. Okay, and in a BiPAP work the same way. Just say BiPAP. So you see therapy mode, and you see the arrows up here. I'm going to select the right arrow to enter the pressure, setting, and then plus and minus. I can easily adjust my pressure setting in the CPAP. If it was a BiPAP, it would give you your first setting, and then you would press the arrow again. It would give you your second setting on a BiPAP, not to confuse anybody. So two for the BiPAP, two pressure settings, only one for the CPAP. Okay. Once we have it adjusted, one for the CPAP, two for the BiPAP, we have our pressure settings in. This is your power button in the middle. I'm going to press the power button. I'm going to press it a second time. It's going to administer the therapy. Press the power button to stop.